I got something to say to you, said Wall.
Yeah. Think you could come in here and say things out of place? Well, I'll say something to you and I'll say it to your face. You ain't better than me, dude. Fine on air. You can't even make the freaking animals so clear. You ain't needed or beaten or higher than me. You better watch your back, kid, cause this is the big league. You call yourself a wall? Well, I guess you got the heat. Better up your game, sucker, or you're gonna get beat. Me a fault so that everyone can see, but I'm a garbage man, idiot, and the animals love me. You're the cell wall. Oh, ain't that cute? You think you're so great? Better watch out for my boo. You may say you're awesome, but you're all talk. You're a bacteria and plants which can't even walk. You cannot smart me, ha! You're a joke. You're just like fruitcake, which is so gross.